them with seeds. We are meant to be benefiting from the seeds, which is why this company itself decided or chose to include the grapeseed extract into this supplement as well, so that we can benefit from it. Vitamin C will help with the production of collagen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this Beauty Support Premium Pack, what you will be getting in this pack, and most importantly, how you will be benefiting from these potency guaranteed supplements and also skin care. Now, if you have not come across this channel before, please do subscribe, give this video a like, and do check out the other videos on this channel that is all to do with how to keep healthy, in particular having natural beauty skin health. So the first product is called Proflavanol C200. This is what the tablet looks like. It is a double layer, different colors of beige and brown, because it contains two main ingredients, which is a potency guaranteed vitamin C formula and also grapeseed extract. Now, those of us who have been around where most grapes or all grapes had seeds, then you may appreciate this better, because sadly these days when most of us are eating grapes, we think that the seeds in the grapes are an inconvenience, and so the manufacturers, the farmers took note of that and decided to make most grapes seedless, which is not correct, because nature created them with seeds. We are meant to be benefiting from the seeds, which is why this company itself decided or chose to include the grapeseed extract into this supplement as well, so that we can benefit from it. Vitamin C will help with the production of collagen, which is needed by our skin, especially to keep healthy and glowing. Then we have this one, which is the Omega fish oil. And some of you may say that, well, I can get a cheaper brand or cheaper omega-3 capsule somewhere, or I eat a lot of fish. However, remember, most of the fish these days, especially the larger fish, they are polluted with lots of chemicals, harmful chemicals. This supplement has been so well made that there's been studies shown that it is the only one in the market that this is the study. For example, this was the old bottling of the Omega itself, and there was a study done amongst various supplements, and Omega was the only one that didn't have any trace of cadmium, mercury, or lead, or any of the other harmful chemicals that you find in fish oil, which is why we recommend this one. Then we have core minerals. That's what the tablet looks like. Minerals are what our bodies, the various organs in our bodies, need to function. Minerals such as copper, selenium, magnesium, for example. These are what our organs, the various organs in our bodies, needs to function properly. And sadly, these days, even if you're eating organic food, we're not getting enough minerals or sufficient minerals from food alone, even if it's organic, because it all depends on how, it may be organic, however, it all depends on how the food is grown. Is the soil adequately nourished? Most time it's not. Most of the soil has been depleted of nutrients over the years. So unless you're growing your own food and you know what you're doing and you are adequately nourishing the soil, then it will not be enough, which is why you need a supplement, a great supplement. This one is the Vita-Antioxidant. That's what the tablet looks like. Antioxidants, as the name explains, oxidation is what we go through every day. Imagine when you cut an apple, you leave it out, it turns brown. That is the oxidation process. Now, when you cut an apple and you squeeze some lemon or lime juice on it, then it will stay fresher longer. It won't be turning brown so soon. The juice of the lime or lemon is the antioxidant, as the best way I can explain it. So the Vita-Antioxidant is the vital antioxidant properties that your body needs to help prevent or slow down the oxidation process. Now this one is called the Rescue Serum. It comes in a pump form like this. I'm just gonna squirt out a little bit. Just a little bit goes a long way. You can just add it to your face, rub it on your face. It absorbs really easily. This bottle is only 50 ml, but it goes a long way. I've actually been using this bottle daily for about 4 weeks now, and it's still very full. I'm just going to read out what's on the back of this bottle itself. It says, ideal for stress, blemish-prone skin, gentle, soothing serum restores comfort and hydration to visibly stressed out skin. This lightweight formula features well-researched marine postbiotic and soothing botanicals to help skin visibly appear more clear, balanced, and healthy looking. So this is the bottle. It's 50 ml, so if you're traveling by plane and there's still all these restrictions as to liquids, then this one can be carried in your hand luggage. Last one is the Barrier Balm. Once again, it's only 63.8 grams, so under 100 mils as well. You can carry that in your hand luggage if you're traveling by plane. And this one, it says, this innovative hydrating balm powered by postbiotics strengthens the skin's natural protective layer to help support and balance the skin microbiome. Its rich, creamy texture gently melts into nourishing balm-like finish to soothe dry, sensitive, or irritated skin. Again, it's quite thick, so a little goes a long way. You can see just a little bit. You can just rub it on your hands, your face, your neck, for example. And it's fragrance-free. It's not oily at all, not greasy, doesn't smell, and it absorbs wonderfully. So this is the summary and explanation of the Beauty Support Premium Pack. If you want to know more, you want to check it out, you want to order it, then the link to order is in this video and also in the comments of the description. Do check it out, highly recommend it. Absolutely great products, and when you take these supplements as well, it also helps with your immune system. It helps strengthen your immune system. I know many people who are getting ill in terms of having viruses, colds, flus, hay fever, for example. These supplements, together with a healthier lifestyle, will help you to prevent all these illnesses. So I hope you found this video useful. Do give me a thumbs up, like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends as well.